Hi, I'm back with another video on my own, but this time there is nothing from the auction and I kind of got a bit of an announcement to make. I have gone back into selling clothes. I know I said in numerous videos that I was giving it up and I got as far as May, I think, and realised that I should be picking them up. Sometimes when we're in the charity shops, I can sort of be twiddling my thumbs waiting for Simon to look at what he looks at, because we have a very sort of kind of accidental process, I suppose. He heads straight for the DVDs and toys, I go to bric-a-brac, and then what I can normally be hanging around if he's got a lot of DVDs to look at. So I started rummaging through the rails, and on a recent trip back at the start of May, so about 6 weeks ago, I picked up some really great stuff. So I kind of got the bug for it, and after watching hauls and stuff on Instagram, other resellers picking up clothes and still doing well with them, although not as well probably as maybe 2-3 years ago, I thought, right, I'm an idiot if I don't look. I don't look in every charity shop. I don't know about you, but I hate sort of bending down and really sort of having to rummage, or sometimes the rails are so high up that it's like right effort, especially when you've got other bits draped over your arm and that. So I'm kind of particular about the shops I look in. Yesterday, I was running some errands, dropped some stuff off to sell at the auction, and I thought I'd go to a big charity shop near us, and I must have been in there an hour. I didn't pick up any toys and games, although I did look. I didn't get any DVDs, any media, although I did look again. I got one piece of bric-a-brac and the rest is clothes. So I'd like to show you what I got. I've written some notes, so let me just flick to the correct page. I have this brand new with tags, Zara Pointel knit jumper. It's purple and it's really nice. Paid £6 for it. It's a size medium. Apparently Zara's doing really well on Poshmark. I'm not on Poshmark, and I don't intend to be on Poshmark, but who knows, because what I say and what I do are two different things. I don't think I'm going to have enough clothes all the time to kind of share and do what you have to do, but I respect everyone else that does do it. So I really like this colour. That was, did I say, that was £6, and I'm going to aim for 20 on that. I might just put it straight on Vinted, haven't decided. We do use Zip Sale for cross-listing. I cross-list vintage stuff to Etsy and clothes to Depop and Vinted. And vintage clothes to Etsy too. Hush vest. It's just a lightweight little vest. It's not a big size, it's a small medium. I paid £4.95 for it. It's quite cute. It's got like plaited sort of rope style straps, really lightweight. I'm going to aim for £15 on Vinted, but I do send offers on Vinted pretty much instantly. I know some people don't, but I like to. First of a few kin items. This was £6.25. It's a white blouse. It's kind of like double layered. It's not silk. It's a size 12. And that was £6.25, and I'm going to aim for £19.99 on that because I've done a bit of research. It's got like a sort of keyhole style at the back. Hasn't got a zip. Has it got a side zip? No, just like a little button at the back. Next up is some mint velvet jeans in pink. They're the biker style jeans. I always do really, really well when I find mint velvet jeans. They normally go really quick. These were £6. They're a size 12. And I'm going to aim for £22.99 on Vinted. The last pair I had sold pretty much within a couple of hours on Vinted, and these are quite a summery colour, so I've not had this colour before, so it's a bit of a risk, but one I was willing to take. Now, I was really pleased with these. These are poetry trousers, sort of wide leg. There you go. They're so lightweight, perfect for summer. I paid £3.95 for them. They're a size 14 and they are silk and linen. So I think 70% silk, 30% linen, and the trim is 100% cotton. So perfect for summer. They're really nice condition, need a bit of a steam. But for £3.90, did I say? Yeah, for £3.95, I'm really happy with those. We have some Rebelle Marie trousers, white, so perfect for summer. I had a good look, they're not dirty. These were £3.95 and they're a size 12. Guessing when that's on there, I mean, do people take that off? that bit there, 38 regular, normal. That's the size. I always see them on there. So if I had these trousers, I would pick that off. But do people leave them on? They've been worn because the label's a bit wrinkly, but they're in really good condition. I'm going to aim for 25 on those, but they'll be best offer on everything. But I had a look, and that's what a couple of recent pairs of white ones had sold for. Another kin item. This is a dress, size 12 again, so I'm wondering if it's the same person that's donated this. Now this was £12.50, and I didn't pick this up to start with. This was a second purchase, because when I got to the counter, she said, oh, did you see that the dresses were half price? No. There was no sign anywhere saying that these two huge rails of dresses were 50% off. Because I thought, God, they're expensive. I did look. So this was £6.75, and I'm going to aim for about 35 on that, best offer. That will go on Vinted as well. Another one, this is another one I went back for. It's got a nice sort of back. I don't know what that's called, but I'll obviously look into it. This is also a size 12, it's got to be the same person. That was £15, but that was half price, so that was £7.50, and I'll aim for 35. Another kin. This is very similar to that dress. It's a top that sort of matches the dress. And this is a size 12, and this was £6. And this one I'm going to aim for £25.99. Would you believe it? I have another one. Size 12. This one is Tencel, I think, or Lyocell, which I've got a couple of pieces of Lyocell, and I just find it really nice material to wear. This is a nice top for the summer. £5.75, grandad collar, and that I'm going to aim for, I have to turn the page, £26, but best offer will be on there. And then for there's 2 bits left, and they're really good bits. They are my favourite bit. Oh, actually there's 3 bits left. I'll show you the piece of bric-a-brac that I got. £2.50. It's wooden, it's a bowl, and on the back it says decorative canal wear, hand painted. And I have done really well with canal wear in the past. This isn't like a Russian folk art piece that you sort of see about that people think is canal wear. This is actually proper canal wear. So I'm going to aim for about £17.99 on that, and that will be cross-listed to Etsy as well. And now for my 2 favourite bits. This brand I have never found before. I've seen lots of people talk about it, but I've never been lucky enough to find it. I didn't realise that they did trousers. Look at those. It's 100 stars. There's the label, brand new with tags, and they were £6. They sell for £60 brand new on the 100 stars website. I'm going to aim for 50, but put best offer on. But I love them. I think they're so nice. I don't know what they're made of. 100% viscose, but drawstring waist. They are lovely. And then finally, it's a vintage dress with pockets, Laura Ashley, made in Great Britain. There we go. Now it was £15 on the price tag, and I wasn't sure, I didn't know what to do. However, Lulu Bells on Instagram is a bit of a oracle when it comes to Laura Ashley. So I took a picture in the shop, took a picture of the label, the dress, the pattern, messaged her on Instagram straight away and said, would you? And she was like, OMG, yes, literally instantly. It is a, is it 12, which is actually a vintage size 12, yeah, UK 12, which is actually like an 8 to 10 now. So I'll obviously put the measurements on there and explain that. But what I didn't realise is, so I was prepared to pay £15, but when I got to the counter, that's when I found out that the dresses were half price. So this was actually £7.50, so even more of a winner. And I am going to aim for £90 on that one, and that will be cross-listed to Depop, Vinted and Etsy, because it's a vintage item. If you're a reseller and you're not on Instagram, you should get on there, because like sharing in the community is priceless. Having Louise to message straight away and ask her about that really helped me make the decision. Join in, because everyone's really friendly. But they are all my items. I was in there an hour, rummaged through absolutely every rail, and I was really pleased that I did. I'm going to get listing those now. They're all summer stock because it's summer, it's hot, and hopefully they will sell quickly. Would you have picked those up? Let me know what you think of them, and if they're still available and you're interested in something, do message us and let us know. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.